Hey guys, today I am gonna be doing a little unboxing for you guys. I literally just received this package, so I was so excited. It's from Pretty Little Thing. So I literally just received it. I've been waiting for it for a while now, and I will be trying some of the things I got just so we can like see it together. It was just a couple, you know, a couple things that I needed. Okay, the first thing in here is gonna be this. This is like a little sweater. I already have this one in black. I just figured I would get it in another color. Looks like this, super cute. I am actually not gonna be trying this one on because it is super hot. I am not putting a long sleeve on right now. But yeah, it's really, really cute. Just, you know, simple. I'm pretty sure the one that I have, the black one, is an extra small. I think I got this one in small. Yeah, I didn't want it to be that tight, but this is the first one. Super cute. I'm gonna put it right back into the bag just because it is white. I don't want to get it all dirty and ugly, so in the bag it goes. Okay, after that, what is this? Oh, I got some sunnies. I got like a lot of random things, but oh yeah, these are just brown and cute. This is what they look like. Super cute, right? They are so cute. I love that they're brown. Nice. And then if I wanted to wear them, they are super cute. Yes, I love them. If I showed you guys my sunnies collection, and actually, sorry, but they feel kind of nice, so that's good. They were like $5. But if I showed you guys my sunnies collection, you guys would be like, why do you keep buying them? Okay, the next one is this. This is actually not even for summer. I saw this and I was like, oh, this is perfect for fall. And it is this flannel, oversized flannel. Oh my god, maybe I should have gotten an extra small one. I got it in small and it's kind of big, but I mean, I kind of like it. I feel like I would use it more as like a jacket than like an actual flannel. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a brown and blue, so I love the colors. It is pretty big, not that big, but pretty good size. I'm pretty sure these are like the only two clothing items that I got, because everything else is shoes. Okay, for shoes, let's see, the first pair. They are all heels. Oh wait, no, they are not all heels, now that I think about it. These are though, just a nice square with a bow, white ones. The heel is not that big, so they're gonna be super comfy, but these look so cute. I really hope that they fit me. You know what, let me try them on. One sec. Honestly guys, I will show you guys up close, but my toes look kind of ugly right now. The band is a little bit big, but it's not really that big of a deal. They still look really cute. Look, so cute. Yay, I love them. And again, I am not showing you guys up close because my toes are not done, so yeah, you guys are not gonna see that. I love getting shoes from Pretty Little Thing because it's like the only place that actually has like smaller sizes. I got a pair of flats because guys, I don't own flats. So I got these. These are super cute, just black with a little bow. Let me see if they even fit me, because they kind of look big. No, did they give me the wrong size? This is the size. Look at how big it is. Literally my finger fits. No. Oh. I mean, maybe if I put something in the front, it would be fine, but literally just when I was saying that I loved buying shoes from here because they're super small, I get a big one. But no worries, I will make it work, and if not, then they are gonna get sent back. Then these are, I'm pretty sure it's another heel. Oh yeah, these are what they look like, you know, just straps, black, simple. Let me try these on and see how these, and it's like a small heel, it's not that big. And these do feel pretty good. Oh my god, these look nice. What do you guys think? Super nice, super cute. I love that the heel is small because I love wearing heels, but if the heel's uncomfortable, I'm not wearing it. So I had to make sure that I was getting comfortable heels. So now I'm pretty sure this is it for these shoes. Honestly, I feel like this is it for everything that I got. Guys, I don't know why this time it's not such a good experience with Pretty Little Thing. I mean, like, it's not bad, but I usually never have to return anything, and this time I'm gonna have to return those shoes. I'm kind of disappointed about those. I also got a pack of white socks, and I swore these were gonna be smaller. I mean, I guess they're not bad, right? The only thing that I found weird was that there's only 5 here. Oh, okay, 5 pairs. Okay, never mind. I take that back. It's because on the website it only showed 5, so I was like, oh, maybe it's just 5 socks, but no, it's 5 pairs. So I got these so I could be styling them with, like, you know, my sneakers or my new Timbs that I got. I was supposed to style an outfit with those like last week, but unfortunately it took a little too long to get here, so I couldn't. So yeah, but you know, we have all summer to style some outfits. And I don't have white socks, I only own black socks, so yeah, I needed those. I also got these. It's like some cute little bracelets. Let's see. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Okay, this one's cute. You know, nice little gold one. I really hope they don't tarnish that fast. And it is a little big on me, but I do have really small wrists, so let's see how this one is. Oh my god, this one's perfect. Oh, never mind, it's a little too big too. I mean, either way, it doesn't matter. I kind of just bought them so I could wear them like as anklets, so let's see if they fit as an anklet. Yes, they fit perfect. Okay, so this one is gonna be an anklet. Hey, let me cover my foot. Okay, if you guys see the difference in my tanning, I don't know why my foot never tans, guys. Like, it takes so long to tan. I don't know. That's just my foot, my feet. So I actually really love these. I really hope they don't tarnish fast, because that's gonna be sad. I mean, at least they weren't expensive, but it's still kind of sad when they tarnish fast, because like I expect them to tarnish, just not that quick, you know. But yeah, these are super cute. I think I'm also gonna be wearing this one as an anklet. Okay, and then the last thing that I got, I'm pretty sure that is it. Yes, is this. It's a little shirt. I really like the color, so I was like, oh, let me get it. It's yellow. Oh my god, but it is really sheer. I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to see my, because there is no way that you can't. This is so sheer. Look at this. No, guys. I mean, I guess in the top it is doubled, but should we try this one on? Let's try it on. Hold on one sec. Okay, guys, so good news, bad news. Good news, the color looks amazing. I mean, look at the color. Super cute. Bad news, look at how sheer it is. This is the reason why I left my bralette on, because guys, there is no way, not even with these. Look, if you can see my bralette, you can definitely are gonna be able to see mine if I don't cover them. So unfortunately, I am probably gonna have to wear this with, like, you know, like covers, which is still kind of annoying. I don't understand why it's so sheer. I mean, do you guys see? I'm kind of disappointed with the quality, honestly. I feel like I remember their shirts being a little better than this. I mean, maybe it's just this shirt. I did show you guys the other 2 items I got, like the clothing items I got, and those were fine. They feel great. But this one is the only one that's like, I don't know. I'll decide if I want to return it or not later on. But yeah, the only thing that's throwing me off is how sheer it is. Like, the material of it just feels really not that good. Again, only this top, okay? Everything else, I love the shoes. I love socks, love the little jewelry pieces that I got, the sunnies I got, love it. The other clothing items I got, love them too. It's just this shirt that is kind of like, I don't know. The color, amazing. I love the color. It makes me look super tan. just like super summery vibes. Maybe I could just wear it with like a bralette under. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep it or should I return it? Okay guys, this is it for the little haul. I didn't really buy much from Pretty Little Thing. I just really wanted to do this one on camera with you guys since, you know, I was already ready and the package got here, so I was like, let me film it. This is gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys like these little haul videos, let me know in the comments. That way, you know, whenever I shop, I can give you guys a haul. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.